back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to move ISA allowance without losing benefits in Moneybox UK. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to move ISA allowances without losing benefits, you need to use the official transfer process to move funds between your ISAs or another provider, as this does not count against your annual €20,000 allowance. So first of all, you need to go to Moneybox UK. Once you're in your Moneybox, you need to simply go and verify it and get logged in into your account. So if you're transferring between your Moneybox ISAs, then you can simply go to settings and move money between accounts in the app. So moving between your Moneybox Cash ISA and Stocks and Shares ISA is what you are doing. So you can simply navigate to the settings and simply do it. And if you are logging in through your website, as I'm doing, you can go to Home, tap on View Account, and simply tap on Transfer in an existing ISA. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.